So some of us, we come this year and we declare, I'm more gifted than God. Someone hears me now, he doesn't understand. This thing happened 2 years ago. I'm now more gifted than your gifted God. I'm more gifted. I'm more gifted than God.
Yeah!
And God knows that. I'm more gifted than him.
God knows that, Baba.
And then they were on me.
Mamo,
You see, he's trying to
he's a
come out
false
with the
prophet.
No man can speak like this.
Media, itore 2 years ago.
Media guys, go and get the clip from 2 years ago and throw it on. Throw it online. Throw it online. When I was still a bit younger,
word for word.
word for word.
The reason why Murgona ta kuno podcast I wanted to give you a bonus video, just a 30 seconds clip. Ndichikuratidza Eva Marufu vachinyeba vese. Yo, it's a Godkayy TV, right? This is no favorite channel started from today, whereby we analyze and criticize videos across the internet. Guys, today, isn't there any hot topic? This topic is really, really hard, guys. Trust me. So it so happened, good Papa Sova, Prophet Makandiwa, he came in hot. And he was saying people were persecuting me because I said I'm more gifted than God. And I got tried to explain and stuff. So what we did for you right now is to compile my videos essay whereby he was talking about him being more gifted than God. And we realized good pane 3 more statements akasiyana. Another could define one whereby I'm going to analyze for you so that I can tell you because I right up, I wrong up. And this video is really gonna surprise you. My statements are in all right now. God has no gift. That's one. Ndo ya address iyo. Then number 2, God is not gifted. That's number 2. Number 3 is saying I'm more gifted than God. You see, so I'm really gonna analyze these videos for you, and we are going to answer these 3 questions. I don't want to spoil for you guys, but if you really, really want to advertise by channel, the number is on the screen. You don't phone it, go in the WhatsApp, and also can order add one WhatsApp group. Guys, WhatsApp group is penga. Trust me, guys. Mune mchikano wa scriptures and I'm not on ziva shoko kutuka domoka kana tara sirizo. Wanokubata uroi. You text me. You don't want text that. Don't so shama video call my phone calls. Feel free, guys. Godkayy is here to stay. And also, if you want to support this channel, feel free to use this number. Go to support our anyhow you can. And also, if you want to get your hair done, varume andi twadagerwa vakadzi vadagerwa makadzi akapenga munobata next card barber shop. So without wasting much time, we need to get into this video, guys. Timbonyazonzwai. Prophet more gifted than God. What you gift more than God.
So some of us, we come this year and we declare, I'm more gifted than God. Someone hears me now, he doesn't understand. This thing happened 2 years ago. God, of all the people that I know, all the personalities that you can think of, God is not gifted.
Right. That's our number 1 statement, Rasha addresser. God is not gifted.
Okay. God is not gifted. He doesn't have even one gift.
And he's the giver.
He's the giver of gifts.
Without a single
anyone
gift.
giving it to him.
All right.
Yes. Because once he has a gift, then we know there is somebody who gave it to him.
Right.
Yes. He is not gifted. Okay. He is the source. where gifts originate from. Yes. But us, the gifts, are also gifted. And we are gifted in different ways. We are never the same. The sooner we accept that, the quicker we excel and we become better in lives. Don't argue with that fact. It's an established truth. You move around, you meet people who are gifted in very, very strange ways. You try to argue with that, you will not survive the argument. You simply have to look at it and admit that this guy is gifted. This woman is gifted. That doesn't disqualify you from being a gift. You're a gift, not that gifted.
Okay, guys, this is one of the other personalities, the Makandiwa, whereby he portrays himself as a demigod. Kana ndichiti is portrays himself as a demigod, ndikuti anoshita half munhu half mwari. And it mazona. Because ipapo patrot, I am more gifted than God. Arikuzvienzanisa namwari, akushiti mwari up inini up. So that is why murikuona right now arikuti you cannot argue with that. He is expecting kuti once I speak, take it as it is. Don't argue with me. So let's continue.
And then I said that there is a checklist that you can actually tick in trying to establish the presence of God in a place. And making sure that it is not just the gift that you have identified, but also the giver of the gift. And I said you can have the presence of the gift in the absence of the giver of the gift. Because what makes the gift
is the absence.
Is the absence
of the giver.
Of the giver of the gift.
Yes.
And I said this is where most of our people have been deceived. Because they stay in a place on the basis of the manifestation of a gift. Because they were not trained, they were not equipped to discern the difference between the two. The gift and the giver. So they assume that once they have had the gift manifesting, that is the manifestation of the giver of that gift. So you can have miracles happening even in the absence of the giver of the gift of miracles.
Okay, so right now I can say he was correct. Panga chiti, there can be a manifestation of certain gifts. The gift of the gifts aripo and over the Most High. That way he is correct.
He said, God is not gifted. Yes. God is not gifted. He's a giver of gifts, but he is not gifted.
Statement number 2, God is not gifted. Marinzwaka. Ndikuda kuti munyaso mabata simply because munozoti ndakavataurisa zvinhu zvavasina kutaura.
And they said, how can he give gifts if he doesn't have a gift? I said, he has gifts, but he's not gifted. God is not gifted. God is not gifted. They said, no, he can't. Then how can he give what he doesn't have? I said, he has it, but he's not gifted. It was the same people that wanted me to believe that God is what? Gifted. Then I waited. Because I knew they don't have the capacity to keep principles. Then I'm coming back. Then I said, okay. Now, since you have a gifted God, I'm now more gifted than your gifted God. I'm more gifted. I'm more gifted than God.
Yeah! Statement number 3, guys. Statement number 3. Right. Whatever that I'm going to explain to you right now, Andy, starting from these 3 statements, it's not coming from me. So I'm right. Let's continue, and I am going to
You know we want you to
Yes. and God knows that. I'm more gifted than him.
God knows that, Baba.
Because he doesn't have a gift.
He's the giver of gifts. Wow.
Mweya uramba kubuda.
He gives gifts. Have you noticed that the moment you say a person has a gift, you have at the same time told us what he doesn't have. Having a gift, if you are gifted with a gift, already that's an announcement that you are limited. It is a gift. When you say a man has a gift, whilst you are telling us what he has, the gift, you are at the same time telling us of what he doesn't have. It's not everything that he has. It's a gift.
Guys, I've been looking at this guy, Achitaura, guys. He's not even blinking, guys. He's not even blinking, guys. Guys, all right. Listen, I am going to show you Pavaruku Gona, and I'm really gonna appreciate Pavaruku Gona. But pane Pavaruku Zono, Monyongora nyaya so o. Andiga, zvokuti yese irikubva yaita sei, yese irikubva yashaya base, yese handiti muri kupaona manje zvavari kuita. Handitika vari kutaura chokwadi mumanyepo. Saka this video is gonna be interesting, guys. Let's continue.
All right. All right. Thank you, Father.
Who gifted God?
Right.
If he is to be gifted,
No one.
that becomes his God. So when it comes to gifts, God cannot compete with me. So a religion doesn't allow you to think like that.
No, it doesn't.
This doesn't
Holy
have
Spirit.
anything to do with the religion. This doesn't have to be about religion or doctrine. This is about you and us.
This is coming from Percy.
James 1 verse 17. Every good gift and every perfect gift is
Comes
from above
From above.
and cometh down from the Father of lights,
He is the Father of lights,
with whom is no variableness, neither shadow
of turning. Yes. So that's him. Your understanding of him. So you are no longer you are not in any you can't. He's superior.
Now they came out. Some are coming out for the first.
As you can't, he is superior. He's admitting that God is superior, but Arikuti, yeah, I am more gifted than God. I am more gifted than the superior. Guys,
What kind of a speech is that? How can you be more gifted than God? As if I'm saying God has a gift. You say it. Unless God is gifted, he can't gift people. And I told you. So I'm coming out to say, okay, since you have a gifted God, I think I'm better than him. Mine is not gifted. No one gives him a gift. Then again, I'm showing you how unlearned witnesses are.
You have to correct me by telling me the gift. These are the two things that I'm going to ask for. Tell me the gift that God has. One.
Yes, Father.
Right. So I'm now going to answer that because that's our first question. It was God has no gift. So Kuti, tell me one gift that God has. So that way he is 100% correct. The law of a gift I apply kunamwari because for one to have a gift there has to be a giver. God is not given. So the rule of being given and the rule of receiving, it doesn't apply to God. According to the definition of a gift. Definition of a gift inoti. A gift is something given freely to someone without being earned or paid for. It can also refer to a talent or ability seen as given to a person. So, theologically, or according to this definition, this doesn't apply to God. So he is 100% correct. Ipap. Let's get to the next question.
Don't bother trying to find 2 or 3 or 5, 6. One gift that you know that God has, one gift
0.
that you can say God has this gift. One.
Hakuna.
Bawati neni.
And then they were on me.
Mamo, naswabuda
You see, he's
pachena.
finally
He's a
come out
false
in the open.
prophet. Hakuna muna nutaura
No man
sakadaro.
can speak like this.
Ndokarata kumana wa media. Itore
And
2
then I
years
said,
ago.
Media guys, go and get the
Torai
clip from
mikande.
2 years ago and throw it on.
Torai mikande.
Throw it online.
Torai mikande.
Throw it online.
Nobano kanonga wakakanda ndichiri kayanga yanga zvangu.
When I was still a bit younger,
Chirova name word for word.
word for word.
2 years back ndichiti haana gift
And I was saying he
yokupiwa.
doesn't have a gift that he was given.
Ndakachibata dziri mbiri.
And then I said, put them together.
Iyo.
There it
Nei.
is. And this current one.
Iwo chivaisai pakati ndapedza iwo chivaisai pakati vachiti aiwa mwari akapiwa ane zvipo
And then I said,
zvainazvo
put them in
ane
between,
zvipo mwari
and
ane
they were
zvipo
saying that
mwari
God
haana
has
zvipo
received gifts. God has not
chipo
received
ndechekupiwa mwari haana chipo.
Gift is given. God has never
Batanidzai
given a
muvapi
gift. Put it together
yabatanidzwa vapiwa
and throw them
haina
out.
akatarisa.
And when they did that, no
Not
one
one witness came out to say, oh, now I understand. Not even one. Because no witness is smart. No one works and criticizes you. Are you that reasonable?
Who is reasonable?
No one. They act foolish. Foolish. They will never come back and say, okay, you had a case that you were building on. Kana ungoda kuita muteri wangu wangu zvikomite futai ukapota uchimbouya uchirovha uchiuya nosiiwa nezvimwe pakata
Because if you
unobatira
want to
nyaya
come and
padumbu
come and go, you're going to miss certain things in between.
unobatira nyaya padumbu
You'll catch a story that's already in motion.
chirega kuti haiwa handingateere munhu akaita sewe watambonditeera kapapisi iyoya wabata
Because you already listened to that one portion that you followed.
yes
Yes,
ndizvozvo
that's it.
haudi kubata munhu woti taka nemunhu mangwana wamuka wakunyara ndiyo
You wouldn't want to attack somebody and
Follower.
like that and you're embarrassed tomorrow.
teedzana naye uchidzwa kuti para kudzi
Follow
kudiya
the man. Really follow the message and understand what is he saying here.
witnesses they said
Right, before we go any further, we don't follow you, Mr. Makandiwa. We follow Jesus Christ.
he said.
This fellow said, I am able to destroy the temple of God.
Is that what he preached?
No.
Vanhu havanzwi.
People don't hear.
Vanhu havanzwi. Inini I've never listened to a sermon yomunhu.
Amen.
1 minute or 2 minutes, then pass on a comment.
For 1 minute or
Whether
2 minutes,
mumoyo
then I
mangu.
pass a comment. Even with
Whether
deep in my
wabuditsa
heart,
munhu wamwari achiti kudii.
no matter what you bring out, the man of God say.
Whether wabuditsa a preacher achiti kudii.
Doesn't matter what the
Ndikuda
preacher
context.
is saying. I need the context.
Because ariko mumwe anoti aiwa hazvimboda mhani kuita 5 minutes
If somebody says you
mazwi
don't need even
wayobedza
5 minutes, just
atauro.
that phrase, that statement is enough.
Ariko mazwi akadaro mubhaibheri anototi the foolishness of God.
There are words that like that in the Bible, where the Bible says the foolishness of God.
Iriko pandonzi foolishness of God
Where it
mubhaibheri.
says, in the Bible, it says the foolishness of God.
Iwoti handidi 5 minutes ipapo
And you're
pakatokwana
saying, I don't
ungambodaro
need 5
kuna mwari
minutes, I just
parimo
think you can't say
mubhaibheri
something.
the
But
foolishness
the
of
Bible has
God.
a portion where it speaks of the foolishness of God.
Kuna munhu akangwara
No wise person
anoteerera
can
mapieces.
listen to pieces.
Garira shoko pasi idya
You
shoko.
have to sit down and really consume the word.
Okay, guys, here is what is really surprising me. He's talking about Nyema PC, but some Bible varungotora one of my PCs and stuff. Because Monano gonna with a 3-hour sermon and it. In that 3-hour sermon, about different topics. And it. So we are advised also to even check context yema sermons. Sermon not with a different contexts. Not a rudo, not a patience, not a kindness. Not with a 3-mark context agasiana. So when we are replying you, tinongotora zvinhu zviri in context to what you are saying. So that is the same with this video. Tangotora context. And wazvona. So taking the whole sermon, I don't think it could be, that one can be a reason for you to defend yourself. It doesn't work like that. Because the Bible varungotora pavanona.
Your foolishness yamwari yoyo
because the foolishness of God is wiser than men. And the weakness of God is stronger than men.
Stronger than foolishness yamwari
The foolishness of God is wisdom.
You then say
that you can't speak of God like that, but there's the verse.
Makandiwa chapter 3 verse 16.
Makandiwa chapter 3 verse 16.
The communication baba.
It's called communication, my friends. If God gives you the grace to speak, then you must be heard when you speak.
There must be vibrations when you speak. The gates of hell are supposed to shake when you speak.
So we allow you to have.
Guys, the video rakuya ma behind the scenes and it. But before we get into the behind the scenes and it, I want to show you. The statement Ravariku confused. I would find a statement Ravakati God is not gifted. We are going to address that statement. Then my behind the scenes agapera. Tozo address I am more gifted than God. And it. So Varguti evil. God is not gifted. And it. So gifted in a 2 meanings. And it. The word gifted in 2 meanings. One meaning you're gifted and it in order to having an exceptional or outstanding natural ability or talent. Natural ability. Though the word gifted. So in context to God now, and it that your God is not gifted. And so that statement is not entirely true according to English definitions. And it murupaona. Tinovata tikatarisa English definition and it tinovata compare nema scriptures. Kuti tione zvikuita line up here. So God has a natural ability according to the scriptures which he already has. So God is gifted with his own natural ability, which is in maximum form. But theologically, the word gifted is not used. They use words like God is omnipotent, God is omnipresent. But if you get into the context, and it dilane context here, the word gifted inoreva kuti natural ability. God has his own natural ability. Kuvanu, when we talk of natural ability, and it tinenge tichitarisa things like to speak, to walk, and it to sing. That's a natural ability inenge ine munu, or to sing in a certain way. Those are natural abilities. So, in context to one definition of gifted, God can be gifted because he has a natural ability. Then we're now going to the context number 2. The definition number 2, inoti iyo, gifted, and it given something freely to someone. Ndo like ye gift ye manje. Yatanchataura paya inenge yaiswa in past tense. So if I gift you today, and it I have given you a gift today, but tomorrow ndenge ndakunzi I gifted you, meaning kuti I gave you something. And it upaona man. So that kind of gifted I apply kuna Mwari. Mrubabata man. So tine tuma gifted anoreva power that is inside you, or the ability that is already in you naturally. God is gifted. He has his own natural ability. Then gifted yawo yavari kutaura iyi manje iyi yekuti being given something by someone. God is not gifted in this manner. Muri kunyasopabata ipapo because tikuda kuchenesa vamakandiwa handitika kuda kubata pavari correct nepavari wrong. First ndati vati God has no gift, ndikati vari correct handitika. Then secondly vakati God is not gifted, ndikati that statement is not entirely true. Rinoda kuita sei, rinoda kucheneswa kuti ukutaura the kind of gifted yipi, handiti muri kupaona. So vakataura ivo gifted yekupiwa magifts, he is correct, but vakangoti gifted vasina kuclarify. Since gifted also ichireva ability, natural ability iri muchinhu, inenge isiri true. So since also vamakandiwa vakapinda mu context, handitika vakataura ivo kuti the gifted yavo yavari kutaura iyo, it's in terms of being given gifts. He is correct also on this statement. So right now takuda kuenda ku I am more gifted than God, man. Muchiona manje kuti chii chakazonoitika ipapo manje.
Look into some of the materials, some of the communications and deliberations and interactions. They call it behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes.
One, we were excited again. Question that then came because the feeling was we are getting back now. That subject that you had said, no. This one, I'm shelving it. I'm not going to deal with this subject for a very long time. The one on gifts. That was... we got excited. I scratched my friend. Here it is. We're getting to that night.
I wouldn't bring that one back until this foundation that I have laid today. It's a foundation that I have laid today, and until it is set, I will introduce the matter of gifts.
Foundation, Father, we were celebrating then that we were at window level. Window level of the building.
That the house was almost done. No. Remember there was an interruption. We were interrupted at the time because I really wanted to introduce the subject, and a number of people were not ready for that kind of a teaching then. That's why there was an uproar, a misunderstanding which was serious. Remember 3 years ago?
Yeah, guys, I would like to agree. Pane misunderstanding itoripo zvechokwadi. Yes, Prophet Makandiwa vane point yavaida kuzama kuita sei kutaura handitika, and people misunderstood him zvekutodaro. How is it they misunderstood him? Because vane pavakazonyeba, and patakunopinda apo pasection yatakunoanalyze apo. That is why pakazoitika misunderstanding. Asi dezvinhu zvavo zvakaramba zviri consistent zvine chokwadi throughout. He was never going to be misunderstood.
Giftedness of the gift. The gift. Yes. Mm-hmm. Yes. And the people's argument was, when I said we are gifted, God is not gifted.
Exactly.
And really people didn't take that.
That's true.
How can God give us gifts if he doesn't have gifts? Yeah. So that mentality that they had was that God was gifted. And they still have that mentality.
God is not gifted.
This statement that I've just uttered will prove what I've just told you. That's why I'm saying I have to set a foundation. And all that I did, do you know that if I'd said I'm gifted and God is not, it would be difficult for people to hear. But if people were saying God is gifted, and then I have to come now and agree with them.
Okay.
And say, but I'm more. It's a provocation now.
Exactly. Now you see now. Ukataura iwo kuti God is not gifted. That's not a problem. And if you say I am gifted, that's not a problem. But ukazoti more gifted than God. Dopatada was going to explain ipapo. That's a provocation for sure, is right. And you are supposed to repent upon that statement.
Because if I am to come now and I say that you said last time that God was gifted, no one will admit. You simply have to borrow their language. Their language is saying God is gifted. And I was saying God is not gifted.
That's correct. God is not gifted.
So all I did, if you look at how I did it, I made sure that their language is included by saying I have more. I am more gifted. It's an admission that we are dealing with a God that is gifted. All I'm telling them now that my gifts are more. Mine are more so because they really believe he's gifted. So if you say I have more, then they are ready to defend their gifted God. So we have to borrow their language.
Okay.
You bring it in and you admit that he is gifted, your God, but I have more. And when they start to cry, if anyone is going to cry over that, then they have to.
You see how he lost it. You see how he lost his own revelation. He borrowed language it was what was wrong, and he danced according to their tune, and then he lost everything. No mistake in it. If they say something, yeah, you dance according to their tune, then you lose your focus over what rasika. Ndo parikuva problem. And itika iri kuzovapa kuti vataura I'm more gifted than God. Yatiri kuzoexplain in the next few seconds
to tell us the number of the gifts that their God has.
So that's where we are going.
Exactly. We have to come to a place where we all agree that we are serving one God who cannot be gifted, who is above all of us. And as much as we might all be gifted, but we are inferior. We are limited by those gifts. God is not. He's bigger and he's greater. So I try by all means to make sure that my language is there, but I brought it later. My language is there, I brought it later. My language is there, which I said 3 years ago.
And that's a long time.
Yeah.
That's a long time.
Which I said, that in my language is saying God cannot have a gift.
It's right, yo.
But I had to include their language this time.
Now, Ipapo, guys, Ipapo. Yeesh, that was the greatest mistake. Oh my God. Shit. Guys, ndo pavakaita mistake vanga vasingafanire kudensa vanenge vakabva vashanda nepride manje. Pride ye ndobva yazonopidigura zvinhu zvese. Oh my God. Hey, vanga vasingafanire kudaro.
In case you insist that he is what? Anyone who gets angry, that's the class, that's the group of people that we're trying to bring to this understanding that God is not. You cannot get angry unless you thought God was what?
Was gifted.
God was gifted. Anyone who comes and he says he has more.
That's important.
That yes. So that's the idea. When we finally come to the same position where everyone is in agreement that God is not gifted, you will see a few weeks from now, I will reintroduce this subject. And people are going to really find it so helpful. Yeah. So it's intentional.
you give us a teaser maybe?
No, the teaser.
Behind the scenes.
The gates of hell will not prevail against it. So Jesus is there.
Oh my God.
And he's hearing that these people are lying about me.
Because
He didn't raise an objection and say they're lying. Because the moment you do that, they're not going to kill you anymore.
All right. Oh my God. Handisitaura God wa God. Ndakambonzwa vamwe vachiseka pa radio vachiti hanzi unoti oh my God, is that a God? Anonzi God. So English zvayakaita iri in two handitika. In British English they say God because the British English yakasiyana ne-American English, so they pronounce God as God, and in America they say God. You get what I'm saying? So if you say God or God, you just know what it's British versus American. So when I say oh my God, I'm just saying it in American English.
And the high priest arose and said unto him, Answerest thou nothing?
Aren't you hearing
these accusations
These witnesses against thee?
Because he's also interested in this particular narrative.
But Jesus held his peace.
He wants them to say this.
And he held his peace because he wants to be killed. That's why in the verse where he said to Pilate, the one that brought me to you has committed a greater sin. This is out of context.
And I said this is out of context.
But he was trying to persuade him to say, please,
don't be too worried about killing me. There's people who've actually sinned even more than that's a desire to be killed. Don't feel guilt. No, the one who brought me before you don't
He wants to be killed. He wants to die.
Bible.
Right, guys. So kwama kandi watapedza anditika. So I am going to explain to you nyaye gifted than God. But the reason why murgona ta kunoko ku podcast I wanted to give you a bonus video, just a 30 seconds clip. Ndichikuratidza Eva Marufu vachinyeba verse. Once again, Marufu vachidomoka verse. So I'm just gonna show you that, but before I show you, I just wanna explain now I am more gifted than God. So since starting word redure gifted and it into two, one or ability, natural ability, and it iri muchinu, and it then rinoreva also kuti unechinu chawakapiwa last time. So now if we say I am more gifted than God, in context to kupiwa chinu, and it kupiwa chinu. The problem is gifted, and it here just means, and it tukutaura gifted yekupiwa chinu, and it meaning about receiving something from someone else. So God is not part of a receiver chain. Ndakanyora manotsi angu pasi sada ndisakupe wrong information. God is not part of a receiver chain, no higher giver above him. Andimurupaona. So Vamakandiwa vari part of the receiver chain, and God is not part of a receiver chain. So yavakaita ipapo inonzi category error, whereby the comparison becomes invalid because you are judging God by the rule that applies only to receivers. And when you are comparing two things, uno compare zvinhu zvakafanana. Mukupabata, uno compare zvinhu zvakafanana. You don't compare two different things. Mukupabata. So Vamakandiwa ndo zvavakaita. Vaka compare a dependent system a non-dependent system. Vamakandiwa is a dependent system. They depend on being given by God. But God is a non-dependent system. And he doesn't depend on someone to give him something. So, when you compare yourself to that entity, now that becomes a problem. Because the people will be like, how could you compare yourself with the Most High? And muri kubabata problem yakaitwa navamakandiwa. Vamakandiwa vakaita category era, vakazvipinza. Pane zvimwe zvinhu zvokuti haufaniri kungozvikompeya nazvo. So haufaniri kungozvikompeya nazvo. Zvakafanana nekuti ndangokupai example. Cristiano Ronaldo nana Messi vaiva. And Messi, you know, kuti Messi akagurumwa na Guardiola anditika kubhora uko. Then Messi obva azobudisa muromo kuti I am better than Guardiola. Anditi muri kupaona manje. When something he knows came from Guardiola, though Guardiola is not playing soccer, anditika. So you actually find good. That's prideful. That's very prideful. You cannot speak kuti iwewe you are better than your coach. Even chero coach wako akanza hari goni bhora racho rauri kutamba. Muromo iwo haufanire kufa wakabuda, because that's a category error. Your coach coaches football. You play football. So how can you compare between the two? Ndo zvakarambwa futi anonza na mapfumo. Mamubvunza kuti mapfumo na tuku, who is the better? Akabvunza journalist akamudza akati question yauri kubvunza ina kana musoro, because one, we are not into competition, two, music yedu yakasiyana. Anditi muri kupaona manje. So first category yatataura nezvayo yagifted, Vamakandiwa was wrong. Taura chokwadi ipapo, he was wrong. So tochienda manje pa gifted yimwe isiri era of category, and takutaura more gifted ye ability, because God has ability in him, so he is gifted in terms of ability. Different meaning iyoyo. Problem now, gifted here just means having ability, and or talent. God doesn't have a talent, but he has an ability, maximum ability when it comes to God. But when it comes to people have limited ability, so it is called a talent. So to claim a human is more gifted than God would mean a creation has greater ability than the ultimate source of ability. That breaks the definition itself, because God in that framework is the maximum ability, and or the source of all ability. Saka definition inobva yato break wipe up. Saka the flow that is in this in this line of statement, the flow ndeyekuti it's a logical contradiction. Logics dzachona dziri kutongo contradicta, and it's an impossible comparison. It's an impossible comparison. So final statement yandoda kutaura nezvayo panapo. Yes, the statement foils in both meanings. As a received gift, and gifted as a received gift, misapplies the concept of God. Because the concept of God, he doesn't receive. The concept of Makandiwa, he receives. They cannot be compared. As having ability, and it leads to an impossible superiority claim. And it's a superiority claim. Yikuitwa na Vamakandiwa. Ndosaka ndakuti Vamakandiwa, he portrays himself as a demigod. So kabonus kedu tudapinda pana Marufu. Mumboona Marufu vachinyeba vhesi. Ndine imwe video yandakaposta futi vachinyeba vhesi yavakati hanzi Jesu paakaita 5,000 fish and bread pakasara ma-leftovers echingwa bedzi hove hadzina kusara. Ndikaverenga vhesi ndobva yaprova kuti zvese zviri 2 zvakasara, and today I am going to show you vachinyeba futi imwe vhesi papapa.
Rinosapota monogamy. Monogamy ndo yamuri mimi. Yekuti one wife tikatarisa paGenesis 2 verse 24 amene kumweko, but Bible makatitarisa rinosapota monogamy. Oro Bible rutotikurudzira kuti itai vakadza.
Okay.
Varume ndakakuisai panyika kuti murore vakadzi ava imunguramba makabatira pane mumwe chete. Vana vari kushaya chikombo. Chikombo hachisuda kuuya. Vana vangotenga mwenje.
Yeah, that's a very important question. I also wanted to say that there are things that you see Old Testament that was tolerated by God. Though even by law it was not allowed. Sekuti munhu akaripota kuna David kuti aona Saul achiurayiwa. David ndobva ati iwo unga ine nyaya iyoyo kwandiri kuti unditaure kuti Saul aurayiwa. Ndobva David ati batai muuraye munhu. So if we take that literally, we can start killing people.
Yes.
But God tolerated that. But mtemo no
guys, so vamarufu zvavari kutaura ivo handidika vari kuti a person came mutumwa handidi ndobva ataura iye kuti ndaona Saul achiurayiwa. Ari kuti ndaona Saul achiurayiwa. But does the verse says that? No, the verse doesn't say that. The verse inoti iyo Saul akaona maPhilistines achiuya, he was wounded. Handidika anga akusakwanisa kutiza. Then he told servant akati, kill me before these uncircumcised people come and kill me. Then the servant handidika akabva ateerera. Then he killed Saul. Then paakaenda kuna David akaurayiwa simply because he killed the anointed king of God. So vamarufu vari kuti akaurayiwa because he brought the bad news dzekuti King Saul has died. So
not kill. So there are things that also David did that was so wrong against the law. Mwaro toramba akanyara anatomboti David zvawaita zvokuuraya munhu ayo. It was good to say so aurayiwa. But he was killed by David, that person. But God tolerated that. So there were things that God tolerated in the Old Testament. For us, kuti bozo Romans 15 noti zvakanyorwa kuti isu tidzidze. You see, so they need to pick lessons from that move. There are also things that you see.
Guys, it's been nice. Godkayy for Godkayy TV. I will see you on the next one. Peace.